Bougainvillea is a hardy, fast-growing plant with a high survival rate, making it a great choice for vibrant landscaping. Here's a step-by-step guide to growing and caring for Bougainvillea. Step 1. Choose the right location. Bougainvillea thrives in full sun, at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Well-draining soil is essential to prevent root rot. A sandy or loamy soil with good drainage works best. Step 2. Select the right planting method. In-ground planting, ideal for warm climates, USDA zones 9-11. Container planting, suitable for cooler climates, where you can move the plant indoors during winter. Step 3. Prepare the soil and plant. Dig a hole twice as wide and deep as the root ball. Mix in organic compost or sand for better drainage. Place the plant in the hole, backfill with soil, and water lightly. Step 4. Provide support, if needed. If growing as a vine, provide a trellis or fence for support. Bougainvillea climbs using its thorny branches, so guide the growth gently. Step 5. Watering. Keep the soil slightly moist, but avoid overwatering. Water once or twice a week, allowing the soil to dry between watering. For potted plants, ensure pots have drainage holes. Step 6. Fertilizing. Use a balanced fertilizer. 10-10-10 or 20-20-20 every 4-6 weeks during the growing season. For more blooms, use a fertilizer high in phosphorus, e.g. 535. Step 7. Pruning for healthy growth. Prune after flowering to shape the plant and promote new blooms. Remove dead or weak branches to encourage strong growth. Step 8. Pest and disease management. Bougainvillea is resistant to most pests, but watch out for aphids, mealybugs, and caterpillars. Use neem oil or insecticidal soap if needed. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot and fungal infections. Step 9. Protecting in cold weather if needed. If temperatures drop below 40 degrees Celsius, protect Bougainvillea with mulch or move potted plants indoors. In colder regions, grow it in pots so it can be moved inside during winter. Step 10. Enjoy the blooms. Bougainvillea blooms in cycles throughout the year, with the brightest colors appearing in dry, sunny conditions. Reduce watering slightly to encourage blooming. Would you like tips on propagating Bougainvillea as well?